Welcome to our guide of organizing your walk-in closet.
Udi designs, unique expressions.
If you struggle with letting go of things and feel overwhelmed by the task of organizing, you're not alone. Today we are here to help you turn your clutter closet into a functional and stress-free space. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to tackle your closet organization without feeling overwhelmed. We will share tips and tricks to make the process easier and more enjoyable. First thing to do is to empty the closet completely. This will allow you to really clean it and sort your clothes better. Put aside everything that you don't wear anymore. Make sure it's in a good condition. Give it away to the charity of your choice. This is the organization I like to donate my clothes to, and I'm putting the information for my local friends in case you like to donate your clothes to them as well. Look how many bags of clothing I was able to put together to donate. Another important tip is to use the same kind of hangers. This will definitely help you to be more organized and fit everything better in your closet. Get organizers like this. You can add shoes in your closet vertical way like this, and you can add these organizers for more clothing or for your purses. You can get these items at Amazon or at any store that sells home decor. I decided to put my boots underneath the pants because I don't wear them often. And I keep the dressier shoes in their boxes. Sort your clothing. Some people like to sort them by color. I don't like that. I'd rather do it by category of pants, blouses, t-shirts, dresses, and then I categorize them by more dressier and more casual, short sleeves, long sleeves, and so forth. So do it in a way that makes more sense for you to stay organized. For my husband's side, it was so much easier. To tell you the truth, I didn't have to do that much because he is a more organized person than I am. So what do you think? I hope I'm inspiring you to organize your closet. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.